Everyone, open your books as well as notebooks. In your books, page number 135. Page number 135 in your books. Okay. So we are going to start. मैं लिख दे रही हूँ इधर page 135. You can continue from the same page. You can continue from the same page itself. Okay, page 135 you have to take out, and we are going to start the third question. है ना? See, find the area of the square plot of land if one of its size is 3 kilometer. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है? You have to find the area of the square plot. You have to find the area of a square plot whose side you have given how much? Side is given how much?
Ma'am, the side is one. Ma'am, the side is kilometer.
3 kilometer, and we have to find the area. And this plot is in which shape? Plot is in which shape?
Ma'am, square. Square.
Very good. Only 2 students know the answer. Rest all are sitting. Huh? Sitting and enjoying. Okay, so what should I write first? Tell me. What should I write first? What should I write first? Yes, jaldi se.
Ma'am, the side of the plot. Square plot is equal to. Ma'am, the side of.
Side
the
of.
square plot.
Rehash, no need to mention 1 or 2. Okay, no need to mention 1 or 2. The side of a plot. Side of plot. Side of square plot या side of square plot या plot कुछ भी लिख लो, all are correct. 3 kilometers. Now you have to find out the area of square, area of plot. So area of plot will be side multiplied by side. This is the formula. You have to mention the formula every time you solve it. So 3 kilometer multiplied by 3 kilometer. Take out its answer. So area of plot is dash kilometers square. Do it jaldi se, finish it. बहुत easy है. It is very easy. Do it yourself. Jaldi se. See beta, 3 3s are 9 kilometers square. Jaldi se complete it. Complete it quickly. Pratishtha, read the next question. Pratishtha, read the next
question is.
next
Ma'am,
one.
the next question is.
Haan.
What is the area of a pitch that is 12 meter by 7 meter?
See beta, one thing I must tell you here. Whenever something is written like 12 meter by 7 meter, like first by करके ऐसे दिया होता है. So this means this one is the first one is the length by breadth. We speak like this, length by breadth. And the second letter is known as breadth. First one is length and by के बाद वाला that is breadth. It happens. It should be understood, and sometimes it is given like multiplication. By की जगह आपको ऐसे multiply दिया होगा. Then also it means first one is the length and second one is the breadth. It does not mean that we have to multiply it. It is given that the first one is the length and second one is the breadth. Okay, understood? और बाय भी दिया होगा तो इसका मतलब भी यही है कि फर्स्ट वाला जो है वो लेंथ है, सेकंड वाला वो ब्रेथ है. अच्छा, इसे खुद करके दिखाओ एक बार मुझको. आई वांट टू सी हाउ यू आर डूइंग. जल्दी से डू इट योरसेल्फ. सेकंड वन, थर्ड, फोर्थ वन, राइट योरसेल्फ. जल्दी से करके दिखाओ मुझे अपने आप. आई वांट टू सी हाउ यू पीपल आर डूइंग, how much you come to know about it. Do it yourself, fourth one. I'm writing down the question here. Bas, and send me your answers. What is liquid dot in between 7 meter? As you can see here, length is given to you. Length of pitch. Length of pitch is 12 meter. And breadth की spelling I have seen most of you are writing wrong. It's BRADTH. Breadth of pitch. Breadth of pitch is 7 meters. So finding out the area of pitch is equals to length multiplied by breadth. So length is here 12 meter multiplied by 7 meter, which is equals to 12 sevens are 84. Most of you are not putting this square. Just put this square. And show statement तो किसी ने भी नहीं लिखी है. So the area of plot.
So statement I have written. So area of pitch is 84 meter square.
So the area of square plot is square plot तो नहीं है, ये क्या pitch है? Sorry, pitch है. So area of a pitch.
In third person.
Area of pitch is 84 meter square. Done? Everyone corrected it. Those who have not done it. So statement also you have to write. Just Dhwani, read the next one. Okay, Adrika, you read.
What will be the length of a rectangular gift box which has an area of 3 centimeter squares and breadth of 7 centimeter?
So Adrika, you only explain what they are asking and what is given.
Ma'am, they are asking the length of a rectangular gift box and they have given us the area and the breadth. So ma'am, in this question we will divide.
Yes. What will you divide? By what?
Ma'am, we will divide 63 centimeter square to 7 centimeter.
Okay, very good. You will divide area divided by breadth. Okay, very good. So tell me the first statement, Rehansh. Rehansh, tell me the first statement. Jaldi se. Rehansh.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Right. Rehansh, where are you? Rehansh.
It will be the area of a rectangular gift is equals to 63 centimeter square.
Area of rectangular gift box. Area of gift box is how much? 63 centimeter square. Okay. Second statement. Summer, tell me the second statement. Jaldi, quick.
Ma'am, the breadth of gift box. Ma'am, breadth.
Breadth की spelling is BREADTH. Most of you are writing wrong. Breadth of gift box.
Ma'am, it's 7 centimeter.
7 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of box. So length you have to find like area divided by length. Sorry, area divided by breadth. If length is given, then divided by length. If breadth is given, then divided by breadth. Area divided by breadth. So area is 63 centimeters square and divided by 7 centimeters.
And when the breadth is 7 centimeter.
Yes. So the length of gift box is dash centimeter. जल्दी से complete it.
Ma'am, 9 centimeter squares.
9 centimeters square. बेटा सिर्फ एरिया में सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आता है, Length or breadth means if there will be centimeter. There will be no centimeter square. सिर्फ area में centimeter square आता है बस.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, my tab battery is low, so ma'am, can I off my video?
Yes, anytime. Done? I hope everyone has done this. So I'm going to rub this and we are going to start a new exercise and that is about perimeter. Okay? Next exercise is about perimeter. What is a perimeter? First of all, let me tell you. Okay, let me rub this and I'll tell you. And what is the difference between the area and perimeter? How can you find out its difference? Okay, see. Where's my pen gone? My pen gone somewhere down there. Okay. Okay, perimeter. A new term introduced to you is perimeter. Up till now, do you know anything about perimeter? Do you know anything about perimeter up till now? Yes or no? कुछ पता है perimeter के बारे में? What is it? You know?
No, ma'am.
You know or don't know? ठीक है, चलो. Let me tell you. What is a perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of any figure. Perimeter is boundary of any figure. Boundary of a figure is known as perimeter. Boundary of a figure is known as perimeter. For example, this is some figure I have drawn. It is having sides. It is having sides. Like this is one of its side. ये इसकी एक side है. मान लो ये 3 centimeter की. This is one of its side. This is of 6 centimeter. This is one of its sides. This is of 6 centimeter. This is one of its side. This is 4 centimeter. And this is one of its sides. This is of 5 centimeter. What are they? They are its sides. Count how many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. How many sides does it have? 5 sides it is having. So if I say you have to calculate its perimeter, that means you have to find out its whole black line. जो black line दिख रही है आपको वो find करनी है पूरी की पूरी total. Okay? तो क्या होता है अब आप boundary कैसे निकालोगे? आप खुद you think about it and tell me how will you calculate its boundary? मैंने बता दिया perimeter क्या है इसकी boundary. अब boundary क्या है this black color. This black color is brown boundary. How will you calculate its boundary? कैसे निकालूं मैं कि पूरे का total boundary आ जाए?
Ma'am, we will add them.
Rehansh is saying something. Rehansh, come closer and say. Come closer.
Ma'am, we will add all the sides.
You will add all the sides. Very good. Yes, Adrika, what were you saying?
Ma'am, I was saying this only.
Okay, you will add all the sides. Very good. Excellent. Actually, this is only the perimeter. To find out the perimeter of any figure, we add all the sides of that figure. So perimeter means sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Understood? What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. That means if you start from here, then you will add 6 centimeter. यहाँ से start किया हमने 6, फिर ये वाला 6 आ गया. You will add this 6 centimeter. This you will add 4 centimeter. Then you will add 5 centimeter. Then you will add 3 centimeter. This is the this is the boundary of the figure or the perimeter. Okay. Now let's come to rectangle now. First of all. Okay, let's come to square first. this side. Let's come to square. This is a square. This side is of 3 centimeter. So what do you know about square? About its sides. What do you know about its sides of a square?
All the sides are
Ma'am, square have each side equal.
Square have each side equal. Yes, all sides equal. If this is of 3 centimeter, and how many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? 4 sides होती हैं. देखो पेरीमीटर का होता है 3 सेंटीमीटर आप ऐड करोगे, इसमें 3 सेंटीमीटर ऐड करोगे, then you will add 3 centimeter, then you will add 3 centimeter. So you are adding 3 centimeter how many times? How many times?
4 times.
4 times you are adding 3 centimeter. That means, what do you mean by times? What do you mean by times?
Ma'am, multiply.
That means 4 multiply by 3. अगर ये 3 की जगह 5 होता तो क्या होता? 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, और 4 टाइम्स 5 हो जाता, तो यहाँ पे क्या जाता? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. इसलिए पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला होता है, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला होता है 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. What is the formula for perimeter of square? 4.
Ma'am, 4 side.
You understand why? You understand why? Because we are adding side 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times we are adding the sides. So 4 times side means 4 multiply by side. इसलिए perimeter of square का formula क्या होता है? 4 multiply by side. Now come to rectangle. Okay, let's come to rectangle. Perimeter. See, this is length, L से बता रही हूँ, ये breadth है. So if I ask you to find the perimeter of this whole figure, कैसे निकालोगे? How will you calculate the perimeter of this figure? इसकी ये length है, ये breadth है. L for length.
We will.
breadth. हाँ, we will what? Rehan, you were speaking something.
We will add 2 times length and 2 times breadth.
Very good. Why 2 times length? Why 2 times length? Why we are
Ma'am,
adding-
because there are 2 lengths and
Very
2
good.
breadth.
This is the length and this is also the length. There are 2 lengths here. There is not one length. Or this is breadth and this is breadth. So that means 1 length and 2 length and 1 breadth and 2 length breadth. So 2 multiply by length and 2 multiply by breadth. 2 times length and 2 times breadth. We will add it. तो बेटा ये क्या formula बन जाता है? This formula becomes 2 multiply by length plus breadth. आप वैसे ऐसे एक चीज और देख सकते हो, ये लेंथ और ब्रेथ आपने एक बार ऐड की है, ये लेंथ और ब्रेथ आपने 2 बार ऐड की है. तो लेंथ और ब्रेथ पहले आपने ऐड कर लिए दोनों को, और दोनों को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, 2 टाइम्स कर लिया. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. ओके ओके, नाउ लेट्स टेक आउट योर मैथ्स फेयर नोटबुक जल्दी से. अगेन न्यू पेज. Take out your maths fair notebooks, a new page. 2 minutes are left. You can do one question at least. Take out your maths fair notebook on a new page. First question at least we can do in this time. Okay, right. Maths fair notebook, new page. On a new page. Okay. Right question, right exercise 11.6. Per quiz 11.6 के नीचे whatever I'm writing, perimeter is equals to sum of sides. Write this. You have to mention this line also. Okay, write question A. find perimeter of given figures. Okay, now question number 1 is make a figure like this, this, and this. This is a regular pentagon, and each side is of 2 centimeter. Every side is of 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 2 centimeter. अच्छा करोगे कैसे? जल्दी से देख लो. Every time you have to write this formula. Perimeter is equals to sum of all sides. Okay. Now add 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. अच्छा बेटा एरिया में सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर आता है, पेरीमीटर में सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर नहीं आता है. वो सिर्फ एरिया में ही आता है सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. Okay, so 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is equals to, when you'll add it, you'll get dash. Take a